I appeal to you, brothers and sisters, in the name of our Lord Jesus Christ, that all of you agree with one another in what you say, and that there be no division among you, but that you be perfectly united in mind and in your thoughts. 1 Corinthians chapter 1, verse 10. What's up, you guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm your girl Mphendle Bolokwe, a Motswana YouTuber from Botswana, and welcome. So I thought I should just do this intro and just do a proper introduction. This is a VLOGMAS episode 2, and yeah, I just came from work. I am sweating like a pig. Literally. Sorry about that, guys. I received a call. So yeah, I was saying that today it's is it a Tuesday? Yeah, it's a Tuesday. I'm from work and I'm from work, guys. It's so hot. I just got home. I want to change, take a quick shower. Today we're gonna pack. Yeah. Yay. You want to talk to them? Guys, Asha wants to talk to you guys. I want to talk to you too. Yeah, Sammy wants to say something. Oh, my boy. What do you want to say? Are you shy? Okay, so let me take a quick shower. Then I'll talk to you guys in a bit and update you on what's gonna happen. See you. So guys, I just finished a bathing. Oh, someone wants to say hi. Hi. Say hi, Nana. Mommy's vlogging, okay? You want to be inside the video? All right. So guys, I just took a quick shower. I feel really fresh and better. I actually feel better because the heat here is crazy. So from here, we're just gonna pack up the things that we're gonna need to go to my grandmother's house. We're not spending the night here. Actually, we're not spending 2 nights, today and tomorrow night. We'll be at my grandmother's house because we are fumigating the house. It's summer. There's a lot of insects. Honana, Asha has been bit by an insect. We don't know what kind of insect. Molotong on his leg and on his ear, like the tip of his ear. So we need to fumigate. And also we have some visitors that I do not like. Cockroaches. We need to get rid of the cockroaches, the insects that are biting my babies, and we just need to reset the house so that I feel like it's safe, you know. So yeah, I just want to show you guys the product that we'll be using. No, don't touch this. You're gonna disturb it, okay? So I just want to show you guys the product that we're going to use. I got 5 bottles of that so that we can spray each and every room, and it's very strong. We can't stay in the house because the chemicals are just too strong for the kids, also adults. So yeah, let's go do the packing. Okay guys, I just wanted to show you the product that I'll be using. Let me just come closer by. Ooh, orange young. Let me reduce the light. Okay, this is the product that we'll be using. Nuven Profi Fumigation. This product is good. When you use this, you won't see an insect, any kind of insect, for a very, very, very long time. Unless I don't know what type of house you are in, but it works like magic. So I got 5 of these. You can find them in Builders Warehouse for 130 pula each. So this basically, you don't need to get a lot. You can even get one. Hello, baby. I found something in the garage. Okay, you can have that. You can have that. It's yours. But so you don't need to buy. Huh? But you can wreck. Go check outside. Spray outside on a rock. On a rock. Yes. But I can open. Ask Daddy to help you, Nana. Daddy, help me to so this, you don't need to buy a lot of bottles because it's so strong. Normally, in our old house, we used to use 1 or 2. The reason why I got a lot is because this house is a bit open than our previous house. So yeah, let's go packing. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe, comment on the section below, and spread the word. Share the video. Show your girl love. This is Vlogmas. It's a month of love, guys. That subscribe button, imahala, free, 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 free. So just show me love for free, you know. So anyways, guys, let's go do the packing. Because Auntie has already started packing. I think I'm going to pack my stuff and then check the kids' stuff. I've bought a few things for the kids to take to my grandmother's house because I don't think she has everything that they need. Is it gold? Can use it. Don't finish it. I think I'm gonna need that spray though. Okay. Okay, Mommy. Come say hi. Guys, somebody wants to say hi to you. Hi. Tell them your name. What's your name? Sami Molokwe. Yeah. What is that? Oh my God. You're Sami who? Sami Molokwe. Sami Bolokwe. Say Bolokwe. Molokwe. Okay. Okay, let's go, guys. Let's go do the packing. Mwah. 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 Okay, let's pack, guys. So I'm just gonna use this little gaholala bag, and I'm just gonna throw in a few things. I'm gonna need a gown. This is my maid of honor gown that I wear for my best friend's wedding. I'm gonna pack these white pants. I'll probably wear them tomorrow to work. Hey, but I ain't go feel because Bona Aisha, what's wrong? Huh? He's complaining. I don't know if it's the pain from the insect. Let me show you guys. Let's show. You see, guys, what I'm talking about here. You see? Let's see, Nana. You see? You see, guys, this is what I'm talking about. Sorry, Bona. Okay, guys, let me get back to you.
Walker, thank you for wanting a verse from me. Apologies for the wait, sometimes it's hard to get the distractions up off you. For enough time to jot your thoughts, but fuck it, this morning I got to. I'm thinking about you. I heard you just had you another little baby. Congratulations. I hope you got through it with no complications. I find it amazing the way that you juggle your kids, the biz, the fame, the bitches that's hating. They sit around waiting for you to fall off like the album I'm making. But I hope that you taking a little time for yourself. Still in a moment or two to unwind between the hectic sounds of your precious baby crying. Do you clear your mind? Must be a lot going on. I hear it in all of your songs. Niggas been doing you wrong. Barely been doing you wrong. On days you feeling like you on your own. I wrote this for you to put on. Thank you for sharing your light, your voice, and writing a beautiful poem. Session 32 bring me to tears. Be getting choked up when I hear it. Seem like I keep crying off so much since a nigga had these kids. And I don't know what it is that made me so sensitive. more than I already was. But never mind that, I'm back. I'm sending you this little audio hug. And hopes that you smile, forgetting the stress that piles from all the above. The more that we hurt, the harder we love. As soon as it's gone, we gotta re-up. It's just like a drug. If people knew half of the pressure, they know that it's hard to be her. I'm sending you SZA and Ari, my love. Y'all holding us down, y'all holding the crowns. You ever need something from me, don't hesitate, please. Just hit me and I'll be around. I'm gone.
So guys, this is gonna be the end of the Vlogmas episode 2. I hope that you guys enjoyed this vlog. It was just spend the day with me after work in my crazy home, busy home, and I hope that you guys will try the one meal dish in one pot. I enjoyed this meal so much. It was quick and nice. The cheese made the dish come together so well. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Bye.